Right after we do this hearing, right now. But it's probably best that he waits for the prosecutor to speak, to see what the offer is.
Okay.
Because you got an offer for this, I'm speaking to your client, Mr. Work.
Sure.
Mr. Rogers. You have an offer for one ticket, but there's not an offer for the other ticket. So he's waiting to hear what they talk about so that they can tell him, Mr. Warbling, and then he can tell you. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So in fact, what I'm gonna do is I'll put you in a waiting room, and then we'll bring you back out when they're ready to give you all the information, okay?
Okay.
All right, this is the People versus Deja Rucker. Ticket number SP 1192820. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license school zone. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Warbling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Say your name, Ms. Rucker.
Hi, my name is Deja Rucker.
It looks like there's an offer. Is this just to dismiss?
That was my understanding. That's what my notes indicate, Judge.
I think it is. So with that, you stipulate the probable cause?
Yes, we do, Judge.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Did you have any questions, Ms. Rucker?
No, no questions.
You're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank y'all.
What about Prentice Davis? You ready on Prentice Davis? You haven't spoken to him?
I haven't spoken with him yet. We were ready on driver, which is the sentencing, if the court was okay with that.
Yeah, well, while we got Prentice, we'll just do it all in the record.
Okay, that's fine. That makes sense, Judge.
Mr. Davis?
Yes.
There is an offer of disorderly conduct. If you pled to disorderly conduct, I'll tell you what the court would do. The court would order a $200 fine that would be due like in a month. If you needed more time, you could possibly get more time, but that's what the court would do. So you have the option of either pleading to the amended count of disorderly conduct, or you could go to trial, which would be a bench trial where the court, the judge, myself, would decide if you were guilty or not, or you could have a jury trial. Did you hear that, Mr. Davis?
I lost my wallet.
Okay. So did you hear everything I
And
said?
Your Honor.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
My name is Rosalind Maxey, and I'm here with my brother Prentice Davis. And the issue we believe is going on is someone has stolen his identity because he lost his wallet.
Okay, you can stop. So it sounds like he wants a trial. Does he want a bench trial where the court would decide, or does he want a jury trial?
Okay, well, the bench trial would be better, but he wasn't in this place. He didn't know about this thing.
Hold on, ma'am. Okay, you said enough. Mr. Davis, do you want I only need to hear from Ms. Davis. I don't need to hear from your sister. Do you want a bench trial or do you want a jury trial?
bench.
And Judge, I'm advising Mr. Davis to, it's my advice, but they're his right, so he can choose whichever route he wants to go. But I'm advising Mr. Davis to set it for a bench trial.
Okay, and I think he said bench. All right, can I call the case? This is the People versus Prentice Davis, ticket number P1330721. Count 1, enter a vacant dwelling without owner's written permission. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Warbling.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Warbling, P4889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Davis, say your name, sir.
Francis Davis.
All right. It's my understanding, Mr. Davis, we've had conversation on the record that you want to have a bench trial.
Yes,
Okay, can you raise your right hand?
yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
okay,
Okay, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for July 15th. I'm sorry, for September 13th at 9 o'clock.
September
It's gonna be-
13th,
Yes, it's gonna be on Zoom, so just zoom right back to the same number. Okay,
okay,
all right, you're all set.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you. I'm gonna remove you, Mr. Davis. You said you're ready on, Dorsey too?
Dorsey is Perkins.
Oh, Dorsey is, that's Mr. Perkins. So I think that's everyone. Are you, that you're ready
You
on?
can call. He's gone. If you just want to know the record, I talked with him. He owed 285, and he had paid back May 20th, and so he didn't have it paid yet. So I told him come down to the court and see if they come on to pay the thing. Take care of it.
Okay. All right, so this is the, People versus Markdown, ticket number P1209884. Count 3, drive-on license suspended. You can say your name for the record, Mr. Worthing.
Yes, Judge, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Downs.
Okay, Mr. Downs was supposed to make a payment. This was up for review by like May 20th, but he hasn't made a payment. He has been informed to come down to the court to do a payment plan and to make this payment as soon as possible.
Yes, Your Honor.